when we identified this opportunity in sort of furnished housing, Airbnb obviously exists as a very large marketplace, but it's geared much more towards short-term travel. One approach I could have taken to solving the problem is to just create a sort of Airbnb competitor in terms of like a listing site, a marketplace site that was aggregating this inventory for this 30-day plus segment. And actually, there was a company started by a GSB grad called HomeSuite that did that took that approach. But what we realized when we were digging into the problem, we're like, to really actually solve this sort of industry, we actually had to go full stack and be fully vertically integrated and actually build infrastructure around property management and the whole sort of data science structure around it to actually solve the problem for the long term. And, it was, when I was talking to some investors and, they want to pick the very scalable approach and so on, it was quite tempting to take some of these shortcuts. But we were very much like, no, we don't want to do that. We want to build a brand. Building a brand means we have to build this infrastructure. It's going to take a lot of hard work. It's going to take time. And after a few years, maybe we'll get to a model that's a little bit more scalable than what we were doing initially. But this sort of attitude definitely informed how I started this company.